guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. And today's video is so exciting because I think it's been 1 year since I've done a Club Factory video, and I'm so excited to be doing this video today because they're having a sale. The sale started on the 26th and it is going to end on the 29th, and this is the New Year sale where you can get everything almost in every category, like homeware, the electronic things, their fashion items, everything almost almost everything is 80% off now. So when I was just looking on their website, I was so amazed by some Indian wear and the price. Oh my goodness, I think I got a sari with a blouse for 299 rupees and everything is under 599 rupees. I think 500 bhi nahi gaya hai, या maybe एक साड़ी है which is like over 500, but oh my god, prices and all I'm going to put on the screen. So I ordered everything a week before, and these things are kind of semi-stitched. जैसे साड़ी है तो उसका blouse stitched नहीं है, because I wanted to show this to you guys so that you can take advantage of the sale right now. So इसलिए blouse stitched नहीं है, but so that you have an idea about the quality of the product. Of course, I'm going to give you really high resolution, you know, inserts of all the products I'm going to show. So I'll start with the first thing, and it's a very beautiful lehenga, which I loved. It's a floral lehenga and it is in this pistachio color. It's a pista color, beautiful green color. This is a semi-stitched ka stuff. So this is the lehenga part. It has a floral print and looks very tropical. It's a very summer appropriate kind of a lehenga, and the fabric is really good. It's a shiny silk-like fabric, and it comes with this kind of a nice satin underskirt as well. So it has a lining as well, and it has a beautiful, you know, beautiful fabric this material here as well. तो ये बहुत अच्छी quality है, and this is under 500 rupees. I can't imagine. So ये इसका skirt part है, and I think this is really a trending piece, I guess. For this price point, it can't get any better. It comes with this blouse piece, and you can just have it stitched as per you want. इसका length भी काफी अच्छा है. This will be like, I think, 1 meter or 1.5 meter. I think this is enough to have a really nice blouse that you can get stitched, but this is really nice. I told my master ji ki please aap ek din mein de do, but that was impossible, you know, so that's why I couldn't get it stitched. But otherwise it's like totally stitched. इसमें करना कुछ नहीं है, you just have to stitch it from the side और यहाँ पे आपको नाड़ा डालना, and that's about it. It's very simple. But yeah, this is such a beautiful skirt. Let me know what you think about it, especially for the price point. I think the quality is really nice, guys. This is still available for the price point. This is shipped from India, so you'll get it within 7 days, which is a really great thing. It doesn't come with a dupatta, so if you want to wear it with a dupatta, you'll have to get your dupatta alag se, but it's really good fabric. For the price point, I would highly recommend this. Try this out if you want to, and I'm really liking it. I'm going to get it stitched because it's super beautiful. I love the print and the fabric. So the next thing that I got is a sari, guys, and I love these kind of saris for formal wear stuff, like for interviews and all, or for any occasion as well. So this is the sari I got. It's such a classic piece. You can never go wrong with a sari which is like silk with a border. I mean, plain sari with a border like this. You would never ever go wrong with this kind of a sari. So I really love this beautiful sari. It doesn't have a really embroidered pallu. This is the pallu part, but it has this beautiful border on both the sides, and I really love this classic combination of the navy with this really beautiful, you know, bottle green color. This is my favorite kind of a sari to wear, and the fabric, of course, I'm sure you can see it through the camera. It is such a beautiful fabric that I can't even tell you. This is such a bargain. It's not a bargain, it's a steal. It is like free, you know, and I simply love it so much. I mean, I was totally amazed when I received it, so I'm not even exaggerating. It comes with this blouse piece which is golden, and the same navy which is on the border is actually, they have a print on it. I'm sorry if there's any background noise, guys. The same print is on this particular blouse. So yeah, you have to get it stitched. I couldn't get it stitched, but it's going to look so beautiful. Like suppose करो ये blouse था, उसके ऊपर ये, you know, इसका पल्लू है, so उसके ऊपर ये साड़ी है. It is such a beautiful sari, I cannot tell you. And going on the same line, I picked up this sari which I loved so much. It's a beautiful grey color, and then of course with grey, anything, any other color just pops up like anything. So it has, you know, splashes of pinks and oranges and black with a little bit of gold as well. It is such a beautiful color combination, and the fabric is such a lightweight fabric, if I have to show you. So this is the sari, and this is the border part. I think this, yeah, the border is like this, and it's such a beautiful sari. The fabric is like this, like हल्का सा sheer है and it is so beautiful. And I'm going to show you the blouse piece inside of this. So it comes with this kind of a blouse piece जो कि यहाँ end में होता है. This is the blouse piece and it is stitched. So यहाँ पे ये मतलब proper print है, the same print which is on the sari, and you can get it stitched. So it is a proper like stitched blouse, and I think these are the sleeves. So it comes with a proper, you know, blouse. और ये यहाँ से जब cut हो जाएगा, so this is the pallu part. It is such a sober sari and it is such a wearable sari. Oh my god, I simply love it so much. I had, you know, when I purchased it, I had really less expectation. I wasn't really expecting a lot, mainly because I didn't want to keep myself into that space where I get disappointed. But when I received it, I was so pleasantly surprised. It's such a beautiful, gorgeous sari, well under 500 rupees. Yeah, 599. Let me know what you guys think about it, and look at this pallu. It's such a classic beige and black. I think this is just my style of sari, you know. This is something what I would want to wear if I will wear a sari. Really beautiful, yet simple, you know, yet colorful but sober. So it has elements of everything. Simply love this bit. I would highly recommend. It is so beautiful. Look at the print. My god, I just want to keep looking at it. It's so beautiful. All right, that was the next thing that I got. So the next thing that I have to show you is actually a dress. It's a western dress, and when I saw it, it was only for 399 rupees. It's a beautiful maxi dress, and I was like, what? Matlab 399 mein, so I thought let me just give it a go. And they had a lot of colors in this one. बहुत सारे इसके reviews थे. It had a lot of stars, and when I received it, such a beautiful fine fabric, black color का nice, you know, very fine chiffon fabric, and it's a beautiful, very modest dress with a collar with golden buttons. It has this elasticated thing here at the waist, and it goes all the way to the bottom. इसके अंदर lining है which stops somewhere around your knee, so which is of course good. It comes with this kind of a sheer sleeve as well, so it's a very modest dress, but of course it is very comfortable to wear as well. It comes with this kind of a belt as well, so you can wear either this belt or you can wear your own belt. I would like to wear a golden or a silver. No, I'll wear a golden belt with this one. And it's such a beautiful piece, and because it's a black piece, of course you can dress it up, dress it down, depending on how you want to style it. I simply loved it, and because there's so many colors in this one that you know, you probably will get the color of your choice. Moving on to one lehenga. So I told you guys, so if you know my channel, you know that my hauls cannot be complete without anything yellow, and I have a yellow lehenga, and this is something that I can't even tell you. I have to show you. I got this lehenga. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The first thing was I saw the model wearing on the screen, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. But when I looked at the price, I'm like, what? Is it a scam? मतलब I couldn't even think, and it is such a beautiful lehenga. Look at it. So it's like this net material, and it has this weaving of golden thread. It is not a print material, guys. Everything is kind of embroidered or woven, and inside of it, it comes with this kind of a satin lining. So it's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful yellow color. It kind of hurts my eyes to look at it, and it is semi-stitched, of course, so you have to get the stitching done from here. And it is such a peppy number that for haldi ceremony and all, you cannot really get a piece like this under 500 rupees, I guess. So it is under 500 or 599. I think it's 499 ka tha. Of course, you know the price, it is on the screen. But it is such a beautiful lehenga. Also, I used a coupon code which is like new look. So if you use that coupon code, you're going to get rupees 60 ka discount, or rupees 60 ka off on a purchase of rupees 250 and over. So that was a good thing there. Let me know what you think about it. I honestly want to keep talking about it. It is a really nice lehenga. It feels like, you know, that tissue fabric. I think it's really in these days and looks really pretty. So I love this. And more than this, guys, the skirt is my favorite, of course. I love the blouse piece. 499 rupees mein, where will you get a properly embroidered blouse? This is this beautiful green color, and it has this beautiful embroidery. Ye blouse piece hai iska. Beautiful embroidery all over. बैक पे इसका कुछ नहीं है. आई थिंक ये बैक पोर्शन होगा और ये इसका फ्रंट पोर्शन होगा, और ये लहंगे का ब्लाउज है. और ये लहंगा है and it is such a beautiful kadai. I'll give you the close-up of this. You see it for yourself. Where will you get such a beautiful, you know, fabric with beautiful kadai, that too semi-stitched, that too Indian lehenga, that too wearable for such a price? Oh my god, definitely check out Club Factory during this season sale. New Year ka sale chal raha hai, 29 tak ki sale hai, so definitely make sure that you shop during this season. I don't know why the sale is just for 4 days, 26, 27, 28, 29. Yes, for 4 days only. They could have extended it, but anyway, whatever time is left, make sure that you go ahead and check things out. So yes guys, that was everything that I had to show you in this particular Club Factory video of mine. Do let me know what you think about this video. Everything was amazing. The quality the quality of the product is amazing. The price point is absolutely crazy. You have to try things out to know what I'm talking of. So make sure that you definitely check out Club Factory. Make sure you apply the coupon code new look to avail rupees 60 ka discount on a purchase of rupees 250 and over. So make sure that you definitely shop for everything that you require from Club Factory at an affordable rate, very very affordable rate, at such a throwaway price during this New Year ka sale. Everything is 80% off. Apart from that, a lot of other deals as well are going on. I'll leave all the sale info in the description box along with the coupon code and the links of the products that I've shown in this particular video. I hope you've liked this video. Let me know which product you liked in this video the most. And yes, with this I will end this video here. I hope you've liked the video. I hope you find it useful. Make sure that you shop on Club Factory. Make sure you shop on Club Factory from 26th to 29th of December. Crazy deals, amazing offers, and there's amazing things for everyone on Club Factory. So that's it in this video of mine. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to my channel guys, I would highly appreciate that you just click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell as well, so that you are notified about my future videos. I bring a lot of sale hauls and all those kind of things, which of course will be useful to you. And yes, comment in the comment section below anything that you want to say to me or about the products that I've shown, which one you liked and which one you didn't. And also make sure that you hit that thumbs up button if you've liked this video. I will appreciate it a lot. So thank you so much once again for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video very very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, and keep smiling always. I love you all so much. Bye guys. Bye bye.